Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh Online Edition, from 1 to 5 February 2020. All for modernization, and increase foreign investment in the agricultural sector.
Euler Domirico Chocolate Solution.
Origins of pistachio in the Middle East, how Italy grows the best varieties and recently popular in China.
Ongway Feed Mill Bangladesh Limited is going to Folsla to a 10 TPH micro floating feed line with Hiran China machine.
From November Simaga has an office in Singapore. The goal is to stay closer to customers in the region.
Aiden Manufacturing UK equipment significantly plays an important role in the meat processing industry of Bangladesh.
How to effectively sell a safety culture.
Bird flu has been infected in chickens and wild birds in the Dutch and northern Germany.
Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Mill Tech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.